Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for August 13th, 2009. One reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations here, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky business, so please don't trade any real money until you have established a proven track record on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch next day's video to stay updated. Just a quick summary. Yesterday's Fed announcement to keep rates steady along with their statement added quite a bit of uncertainty to the markets. The Fed stated that rates will remain low for an extended period of time. However, they also mentioned that we're in the bottoming out of the current economy. The market was mixed on the news as dollar bulls weren't able to outmatch the bears, and the dollar lost all positive upside that it gained during the first 15 minutes after the announcement. We are waiting for much anticipated retail sales figures out of the US, which is supposed to show a 0.9% month-over-month increase, which is due out later today. We are looking at the euro dollar daily time chart, currently trading at 141.88. As you can see, we haven't changed any levels of support and resistance as we are within recent ranges. As you can see, we perfectly hit off the 142.30 first level of resistance for the euro, and the bottom of 141.01 was the first level of support. So we're still within that small little range. Above 142.30, second level of resistance is going to be 142.80, followed by 144.50, reflecting these highs set early August. Next level of support is going to be found at 140.60, below this 140 level. Below the 141 level, followed by 140. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Currently trading at 164.76. Also, we haven't changed any of our support or resistance lines as we're trading within this tight little range over the last few days. Our first level of resistance is going to come at 165.50, followed by 166.66 and 167.20. Above that, we're going to see 170 as the last level of resistance before possible further upside. In case the dollar continues to strengthen throughout the next 12 to 24 hours, we're going to look for 164.25. A break below that, a level of support is going to be at 163.50, followed by 162.11. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Currently trading at 96.10. Our first level of support is going to be found at 95.82, followed by 95, and then 94.51. I would like to see a break of yesterday's low of 95.22. We might see quite a bit of stall between 95.22 and 95 before going further to 94.50. First level of resistance for the dollar is going to be found at 97, followed by 97.76, and then further up at 98.50. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dollar Swissy. Currently trading at 107.76. Our first level of support is going to be found at 107.50 for the dollar, followed by 106.50 and 105.75. Quite a bit of room here. Our first level of resistance is going to be found at 108, followed by 108.80, 109.20, and 109.75. We still haven't been able to break this last pivot high, so this confirms that we're still in a current downtrend. However, with yesterday's Fed announcement and further market reaction, specifically out of the Euro session later on today, we hope to either break out of this range or perhaps start setting some higher highs or lower lows. I would like to finish off by saying that I continue to look at the equity markets for further guidance, specifically for the yen pair. As you can see, we keep trying to break through the 9400 level, but every time we reverse. So we have to see if there's going to be continued bullish momentum over the next 24 hours and see if we can break through the 9450 level and then perhaps the 9500 figure. This is, as of now, a lower low, which is negative for the equity markets. If we continue to see further losses, perhaps find support at the 9,000 level near this moving average. But again, we have to see what happens over the next couple of sessions. With that being said, if we take a look at the dollar yen, keep an eye on if the Dow continues to lose momentum and we start seeing a close below 9,200, we might also see the dollar lose value against the yen to possibly close below this trend line. A close below that trend line would really be bearish for the dollar, and we could possibly see further downside to 93.30. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the member section. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex videos for August 13th, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.